Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the KOHREE Smart Screen E-reading lamp. This is an LED task lamp, or an LED lamp with eye care, USB port LED desk lamp, a monitor screen lamp. It is dimmable. It has different kinds of color and temperature adjustment, no glare, no flicker, no matte black finish. The finish itself is a nice and smooth black design, and it is an office lamp. You have a large space. The dimensions of this screen is to get a less space on your desktop, because this smart screen e-reading lamp you are assembling on the top side of your screen. This is to have save so much space on your desktop. Awesome, really awesome. It is a special developed clip, only needs to be slide smooth and gentle to attach the e-reading lamp on top of the monitors. No adhesive tape or screw is required. The clip is suitable for all monitors with a thickness of 0.4 inches to 1.2 inches. These are 1 to 3 centimeters. It is an all-around talent. 9 dimming levels, 3 light colors, warm white from 2800 up to 3200 Kelvin. No reflection lights. It adopts the design of asymmetrical circuits to light up the screen space, which could help to reduce the reflecting light effectively. You have no reflecting lights on your screen. Really awesome. USB interface, no matter for computers, mobile phones, power banks. Only DC 5 watt and 1 ampere power you will need for this to operate it. You have neutral white from 4000 up to 4500 Kelvin, daylight white from 6000 to 6500 Kelvin, and 120 degrees beam angle. High quality 84 pieces of 0.1 watt SMD 14 LED light sources provides your eyes comfortable, and this is an awesome experience. You have an anti-glare screen. This KOHREE e-reading lamp has an asymmetrical optical design and therefore only radiates up to the desk. No glare is closer to your demand. You have a USB connector. Complies with the DC 5 volt safe low voltage supply. Solid and practical with 1.5 meter long USB cable. It's made of PVC materials. It can be connected to computers, phone chargers, or power banks itself. After switching this on, the e-reading LED lamp will resume the light's last brightness and color temperature setting, what you used before. That means there is a memory effect inside. You can adjust by using the remote on the cable. It is assembled on the cable, or there you can switch on, off, brightness level up, brightness level down, and the light temperature up and down. And this is really good designed lamp, and it is a really nice for your eyes. You can see it on the pictures here on the screen. It has a good orange thing for your late working process. That means you can't go to bed after a couple of hours with sleep. If you are using this neutral white or this daylight white, this is a problem. This is better to get at the morning. If you wake up, use this not neutral white or daylight white. This will get you power inside you because of the light. And at the later hours, you will use better the warm white function. This is for the bedtime at the evening. That will give you the comfortable way to get some sleep. And it will push up your at the morning with the daylight white. The daylight white is better for get power inside of you. So you can use the switches on the remote plus and minus and change the mode and off and on. The only one you have to do is use the clamp on the back side of the lamp, push it above your screen, dock it in position in the center, job's done. Then you can adjust the lamp itself a little bit for the light area in front of your screen. And the screen will not shine into on top of your monitor. It will only get light in the front of you. This is really awesome. It is a good designed lamp. Really awesome. KOHREE E-reading LED task lamp. Nice and good for your eyes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.